So let's take a look inside For the Trees, an anthology of tree communicators. This is a book that is destined to be on the bookshelf with all of these incredible stories about nature and trees, both scientific and spiritual. And what 35 of us authors have done under the leadership of Elise Pomerantz with Veronica and Kathleen um, is incredible. So let's just look at what is inside this book. Absolutely beautiful layout, illustrations. Every contributor has given such care to their chapter. This book is not available in typical retail places. It is only available from a couple of websites, author websites, as well as Elise's for Canadian sales and my website for US sales. European authors are also providing their own sales through Etsy and other places. But look at the illustrations, the photos, the incredible ways that trees are captured, and the relationships, the stories, the exquisite care with which each of us authors have shown in honoring trees. And I have to say that trees really guided us in terms of how this book makes its way in the world. Just reaching back further, we'll see some more beautiful chapters. I'm humbled to be part of this. This is Yannick Davis Dubois' beautiful work. So for those who are wishing to give a very special present for a birthday, a holiday, this is the book for you. It's $35 US. And as I said, it's not available in any of the typical retail places. It's a very special book that deserves a very special way of being distributed. Diana Beresford Kroger, who is the Irish botanist, and her book is right here on the top of this grouping of incredible books, has written an endorsement after reading it and really recognizes the treasure that this book is. So thank you, Diana Beresford Kroger, Irish botanist. $35, an incredible gift. For the Trees is a beautiful offering by people who have an extraordinary relationship with the standing ones. Please come out and buy.